way up.
Derek's advice.
After your bottom?
I know I drank out of that already.
No, I'm sick.
Caleb's advice.
So am I.
I mean, I don't know.
What are you
my
sick
soda's
with?
still here. I am trying to pour while holding the camera.
Oh, hey.
I had blisters on the back of my throat.
Oh, I got the last of Dr. Pepper. What now?
After they want to wait today.
Actually, I'm all soda, so I don't want to drink.
I don't want to get up because
Whoa!
Oh, actually,
that.
this, Kyle punched me in the throat.
Haley, do you remember when I hugged you and you like totally hit my throat?
oh my god. Want me to sit down?
Hey, I need to sit down. Hey, Brianna, can I sit on you?
Cause I'm a worst.
Wait, it's really annoying.
Can I sit on you?
Get up here.
Can I jack your seat? Sweet.
Derek. Yeah.
Wait, what did I? Oh yeah, I asked her out.
I got Cassie out.
What? You're gonna ask Cassie?
I told him to.
Yeah, that was a setup. I'm starting to think, huh?
Yeah.
Don't say anything bad. You're on camera.
I love these conversations. Oh my god, I just want to get the audio off them and then put them on my iPod.
Admit it.
That'll be funny.
Why you go to bed?
It's like being cooked.
Yeah, you're right, huh?
Wait, that seriously looks like a hickey though.
Yeah,
That really was
Where?
a bad hickey.
Where?
Where?
Turn.
You got one? Where? Let me see.
You said it was Kyle punching in the neck.
No. It's that and Kyle punched me in the neck.
Oh, a mixture of the two.
I don't know why
right
he punched
there?
me in the neck. Kyle's a douche.
Look
He
at
walked up
Michelle
to me and
eating.
she just walked in and was like,
stop. Kyle me.
Oh, I punched you in the face.
Kyle
I did
me.
that too.
That's funny.
Ricky, are you gonna sit? You look awkward.
I haven't dreamed
Oh
about
yeah,
it
cause
last
there's.
night.
Whose is it?
I
think it's Brianna's.
Yeah?
Where'd Brianna go?
Oh no, she went somewhere in there.
I haven't dreamed about it.
Sit on the table. Okay.
Whoa.
You don't know where that's
This got like clear.
No, it was like that. You were wearing sunglasses.
No, like the clouds just moved away.
Haley, stupid moment number 500.
I'm taking some for Brianna. I want that. We're gonna take it. Just saying.
The rest of the cake is what I'm gonna be eating like
You unbuttoned.
no.
For breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Oh, that's gross.
I'm not having any cake. I don't feel like it.
Good for you. Yeah, I'm tired of cake too.
Too much icing.
That's Brianna!
Ew,
Anybody
no.
want the cake?
I want some.
All the icing.
Fine. Who wants the cake though?
I didn't have depth perception for a second.
Hello.
Who got my
Wait,
name?
Wait.
What's up?
Let me see it. Let me see it.
What are you doing?
No, don't take my flower.
What are you
No,
doing?
that's my drink. My drink. Stop it. Oh, don't.
Oh, right.
Already-
This is soda, sorry. Let me have a sip. Let me have a sip.
Happy birthday.
You call that? Just have it all.
Hey, that ain't your cake.
Derek!
Hey, stop!
It burns my ears.
Birthday girl, you dipshit.
No.
My empty cup that Derek
Just fill my cup, please.
drunk.
I'm thinking about drinking. Me and him are both sick and we drink out of it.
No, I'm not
You
drinking more.
drank out of my cup. So.
Derek, you drank all my soda.
I drank.
Derek's a dick.
Are you like filming this? Or you like making
Yes.
a document?
Birthday
I'm just
party.
filming it.
I do what I want. Do it.
Do what?
Do it.
Fail.
Failure.
On his part. Do you have strength?
They were eating your...
Oh, there's Brianna.